What is the most powerful strategy that you can use and be profitable in the market? My name is Ngubeko Mtiane, and I'm the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. I have put together 7 rules that I use when I am trading. These are the 7 rules that I use on a weekly and a daily basis to be consistent and be profitable in the Forex market. The thing that I like about these rules is that they can be used by a pro and they can also be used by a beginner to consistently make money in the Forex market. I want to send you my 7 rules of trading, where I'll be sharing with you what are the things that I do to prepare myself for trading. Just click on the link below and I will send you the video. Shalom.